Brad Humbucker with the eModels News Network. We now go over to the science team with some breaking science news. Hello! Here at the eModels Research Centre for Sciencery and Applied Awesomeness, we gather together only the finest minds in all the realms to run the emodels.co.uk website. With great science mans such as Professor Tedward McSkipperton, an expert in advanced shenaniganery and quantum swearing, and me, Dr. Professor Foxley McWolferton, highly qualified in not only horse physics, but also applied shapes. We work hard 24/7 to ensure that you have the best possible experience at emodels.co.uk and are supplied with only the awesomest deals. We are highly trained to spot awesomeness when it appears and bring it to you. Our diligent research has led us to note that 2020 has been absolutely rubbish, and that a massive dose of awesomeness is sorely needed. We scienced some things and found that Friday the 27th November 2020 is a Friday, and is indeed on the 27th of November. When we looked at the date through a reciprocating parametric FAM, we were able to see that it was, in fact, black. So, being proper science mans, we named it Black Friday. When we investigated this further, we made another discovery. Thanks to what we scientists call the universal law of gravitational cap balancing, on this day, all prices in the eModel store will be massively reduced. Every single item will be available at up to 15% off recommended retail price. As science mans, we have a deep knowledge of numbers, and 15 is absolutely one of the best ones. So, make sure that on Friday the 27th of November 2020 you visit emodels.co.uk and stock up on all the goodies you need at a massive discount by using the special Black Friday exclusive discount code AWESOME when you check out, and the special Black Friday discount will be added to all the items in your basket. If you prefer to shop in person at our trade counter, you'll be able to use the discount-coded store on Saturday the 28th of November, but only on the Saturday, as the shop itself will be closed to visitors and taking online orders only on the Friday. As a result of all of this, we predict that happiness and awesomeness will ensue. So remember, 27th November 2020, or pop in on Saturday 28th, discount code AWESOME, huge savings. So simple, everyone can get it. It's not rocket surgery.